Here is a terrifying realization for some of you to ponder. It's no mystery that Pentex delves into a lot of fields in its efforts to extort the world of Gaia to the will of the worm. So what could something like bringing back dire wolves do for the likes of Pentex? Well, there is the boring answers like, having wolves who are bred worm-tainted off the cuff, or paw, to help repopulate the wolf populations that are dwindling and thus spread worm taint amongst the wolves and eventual kinfolk of the Garou. But if you dig deeper into the company's real world, and no doubt what would carry over to its World of Darkness counterpart, is that they intend and plan to do this not just for animals, but plants and even crops, thus bringing back species of animals, plants, and foodstuffs that are struggling or going extinct or have gone extinct, which sure sounds nice, and in the real world that very well may be true. But with Pentex in the back of our minds in our prior example, this goes beyond corrupting the Garou breeding pool. This goes into rewriting the very face of Gaia, polluting the gene pool with worm-tainted creatures and worm fauna, and these are spliced genetic bastards, not the genuine article. Thus, they are corrupting the spirit of these creatures and wreaking havoc across the Umbra as new spirits of the worm begin to flood the Umbra and distort or overwhelm the spirits of Gaia they begin to replace and breed out, intermingling the world of Gaia and the Umbra with the essence of the worm in a world-ending usurpation by the worm. Horrifying to say the least. Maybe something to consider for your next werewolf chronicle, Until then, Garou.